welcome. This is Double M Gig, Maya and Mama, and we're going to tell you a little bit about this amazing promotion that the Terra is doing this month, in the month of April in Europe. And this is relevant to everybody who has not placed an order, who already has the Terra account, but has not placed an order between 1st of April and 31st of December 2017. So if you haven't placed an order um, within that period of time, it will be relevant to you, and that's why I'm sending you this link to watch. So there is a lovely PDF link as well, but we're like going telling you and showing you how to use these oils as well. So this amazing promotion allows you guys to get up to 3 free blends, and these blends are amazing, are the blends that I'm using all the time as well. Seriously, with 3 kids, I don't know what I would do without these blends. So if you haven't placed an order, it's a great time to do it now. First, it's okay, Maya. This balance blend, you can see there's still some here. Will love balance blend because it's a grounding blend. It's something I like putting on my children back, just on the spine to relax them. I can put a little bit on myself here. Now we don't ingest it. It's not a supplement. You can only use it topically or diffuse it. It's an amazing smell, guys. If you haven't smelled it, oh my god, I don't know. It's as it says, grounding. It's really relaxing. It has a mixture of woody oils and flowery oils. It also has fractionated oil as well, so I have no problems putting it on my kids. In fact, even newborns. Maya had it since she was on her feet when she was born, and I actually applied it on on my scarring as well because it brings more oxygen into the area, helps healing. I just love this blend. You apply it on the bottom of the feet. Hold on. Just 1 or 2 drops on each every morning. So this is actually part of Dr. Hill's protocol. It's something that he does. It's his favorite blend as well. And the value of it is that it really helps you to just calm down. And everybody needs calming down. It's just enough scrolling through the Facebook or just getting ready of the house. If you have children, is already can be a stressful experience. So I always use grounding, and also helps in the evening, as I said. Diffuse it. My boys love this smell. They're quite finicky about the oils, but they do love this blend. Especially my eldest one, he calls it his brave blend. Really helps him with his feeling of anxiety that often he gets when he's not happy about certain things. He's 9.5 years old. Many things don't make him happy at this age for some reason. So, but this is an amazing blend, guys, for children, for adults. It's actually in aroma touch as well because it has this powerful calming effect. And anybody who just wants to feel just relax, have a breathe, just too much happening, too much stuff being, in your life externally. I think every single person needs to have this blend. It's a must-have blend, guys. It's a must-have blend. So, and you get it just placing an order of 100 points. Now, it's not £100. It's probably going to be less because these points have higher value. So this is how you get this. And it's, if you were to purchase it, it would probably, how much is it? It's about £23, something like that. It's over £20. So this is the value of it. So if you want to get another blend for free, I make this order of 100 points to be a loyalty rewards program. Now, so if you don't know what that is, loyalty rewards program, it's a customer saving program for the Terra's customers. And it's just the same order, but it's an LRP order. It's a monthly order. It saves money when you buy things like toothpaste, soap, laundry wash, laundry cleaning, your supplements, any kind of household related things that we want to buy anyway. If you just move your budget within your doTERRA account, this is how you start saving a lot. and your oils come free. This is how it works for me. I don't pay for my oils because I get them free by simply buying things that I need in my house from the Terra. Very simple. I can show you all about it. So anyway, you're gonna get this Onguard blend. It's a protective blend. It's a bit spicy, so for babies, for kids, dilute them. It's okay if for adults not to dilute it, but the cinnamon in that and clove can make it a little bit spicy. It's it's a powerful blend to boost the immune system and go for any pathogenic microbial organism that's around us everywhere. So you can make sprays in water on the toys, on your handles to clean your house with it. Take it internally. You can take it internally. It is an essential oil supplement for adults only, and you can diffuse it, and you can take a drop in the water just every morning to boost your immune system as you leave the house, and have it really be there as a preventative measure. If you do get sick, just use it more often. For kids, I would put a drop and give like a little hug. Have a good day at school, Nathan. And or Maya would get it on her feet and then put the socks on her so she doesn't pull them in her mouth, right? Maya has a diluted version of it. So the fact that it's 15 milliliters, it has 260 drops, guys. So it has a very, very, it's gonna last a long time. And diffusing it is the way to cleanse the air, to kill all the pathogens in there before you even inhale them and spread the virus. We were using it a lot recently because we were hit by this vomiting bug, and I took it internally in water straight away. It didn't go upwards. It was clear out of my system very fast, and I know because I took the oils and I had Onguard with me. So this is what even my husband took internally as well, and we suffered the least with that bug. It was out of our system pretty fast. We still had time to recover, but we were mobile. We were not that ill anymore. So this is a powerful Onguard, and everybody, it's a must-have blend as well. Sorry, Maya, almost done. And if you want to have another blend for free, which is called Breathe, I'm just looking for it here. Oh, this is Breathe. Breathe blend is a respiratory blend. No, this is peppermint. And oh, there we go, found it. Now this is in my hands. I'm holding a big bottle, but you would get it smaller, 5 milliliters, 60 drops. Breathe blend is a respiratory blend. Supports anything from here to here, right? From here to from nose. So any pollen allergies or pollen reactions, just blocked nose, runny nose, coughing, anything like this, just for this area, you want Breathe blend. And something that you can diffuse, not to be taken internally. It's not a supplement, but you can diffuse it and you can apply it topically. So for example, my baby is coughing or has something going on, put it on her back, on her chest and on her feet. To be diluted for children, absolutely. It will sting a little bit because it's got peppermint, and children are very, very sensitive. So always dilute essential oils for your child, especially a small baby. Oh baby. So I dilute 1 to 2 drops on a lovely tablespoon for a tiny baby like this. So that works really well. For myself, I just use it straight and straight on my chest, or just inhale from my hands on my chest, and I love diffusing it. For my older kids, I can actually just apply it on their feet. They're big enough, so I don't dilute it. For 9 and 4 years old, so I just literally put a drop on their feet and put socks on. It actually stops coughing very fast. So it's a must-have blend as well, guys. Again, this can be all for free, guys, from the Terra. I wish I could qualify for this, but I don't. So the value of put it together comes to over £50, and like 52 or 54 pounds, and in total savings for this amazing brands. So if you want to get it, go ahead. Contact me if you don't know how to get, what do you need, how to use the oils. I'm here to help you guys, and I'm very excited if you get it. Goodness, you got an amazing blend, blends there. Bye.